This is how to operate Aftron coffee maker. Make sure that the socket is plugged in and the main switch is on. Open the lid. Put the ground coffee beans here and water here. Close the lid. Make sure that the nozzle is right attached to this nozzle right here as well. Press this button right here so the coffee machine will start brewing. Wait for it to finish. When removing, you can just pull this handle right here, put it back, make sure that the main switch is off.